Personally, I use the reporting quite a lot. There's so many different reports, almost too many, but you can never have enough data. It's really good for looking at how we can make improvements, making great business decisions.
Probably the sales turnover report.
Oh, lovely.
I find that really useful, not only for the accountants at the end of the quarter, but during the month, at any given point, you can have a snapshot of what's selling and what's not. That's probably the most useful.
Yeah.
Other than the regular invoicing, which is day-to-day running. On the reporting side, the turnover report is the most useful report you can have, because that actually breaks down sector by sector what's selling, what needs attention, and what the margin is, and things like that. That's all really good stuff.
Well, one of the big functions for us is knowing how much profit we're making out of every job. I mean, we've become a far more profitable company with TechMan than we were previously, because we know how much we're making out of every job.